The RT-IR-WO4A01 multifunctional patrol robot consists of a mobile chassis, navigation module, and vision system, and is primarily designed for automated inspection tasks in both indoor and outdoor environments. Featuring a four-wheel, four-drive structure, the robot offers superior traversability and flexible mobility. It supports multiple movement modes including crab steering and zero-radius turning, ensuring smooth and reliable operation on common ground surfaces. Equipped with a high-precision binocular PTZ unit, the robot can perform tasks such as status recognition, anomaly detection, and environmental monitoring. Equipped with pickups and speakers, it can realize two-way intercom between command center and robot, adaptive obstacle avoidance behavior through multiple sensors, integrating task path curvature, obstacle distribution, and other factors. The chassis adopts a modular design with standard interfaces and expansion space reserved for future functional upgrades and system integration. This robot can replace manual repetitive inspection operations, effectively reducing labor costs while improving inspection efficiency and data accuracy. It is suitable for daily patrol and mobile operations in facilities such as factories and industrial parks.